Hello. So this is my bone dry corner of the world, and one thing I've been experimenting with is custom ribs, because in my past I've done a lot of woodworking, and so I've been making custom ribs. So that one's for plates, such as those. And then I've got planters for these. And then the new one I just made is a small bowl rib. And they're all really consistent. So here's more of a close-up on it there. And this is the first plate that I've done with the new rib. It's flipped upside down currently, but yeah, so cool. Just wanted to share.